Here we are standing in front of the Ferrari 458 Speciale Aperta, you guys. One of 499 all over the world, and this is one of one in the India. The Scuderia Ferrari bouncing horse. Look at that interior, the bucket seats, all the Alcantara, Sir Punawala's initials, the silver stripes all over the back. This is the last Ferrari with a mid-engine 4.5 liter naturally aspirated V8 engine. Even the registration plate says 458 on the 458 Speciale Aperta. You can see the silver forged wheels with Michelin tires and yellow brake calipers as well. Finished in Rosso Corsa, the red Ferrari.
राहुल वो सिर्फ नीचे देखा इधर
मैं फोटो काटते हैं तो इधर तो काट लो ना वीडियो फोटोज काट
सर को
ओ भैया
थोड़ा सा
मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी मैं इस Ferrari से